Went to the beach to see 2 Manila flights land. The first landed early, then a surprise flight landed, and then the third flight was a bit late. I'm guessing that was because the surprise flight took priority. What's your guess? I hope you enjoy all 3 landings. Sibulan Beach in Negros Oriental is such a great spot to watch flights arrive at the Dumaguete-Sibulan airport. Here I am, it's Sunday morning with Cliffy at Salamat Beach. The tide is out, so it's perfect. I got to get out a bit further from the beach. Let me just show you. So this is the runway here. Behind is Cebu Island, the bottom end. The flights will come in this way from here, across the water, and land right here. So normally, standing by the trees. But the tide is out this morning. It's just coming in. So we can take advantage of it. You can see the condos over there. Let me just zoom in that way. That's where the Philinvest condo project is from 2018. They finally opened their mall. Not many stores open, but better than nothing, I guess. You can barely see Siquijor Island through the haze. Hopefully we get a good landing here. Let's see. Oh, and I got Cliffy's new water bowl from the vet. It folds up the flat rubber water bowl. And his new leash. What do you think, Cliffy? Hey? His first time at the beach since we got back from Sipalay, where he had an amazing time on the beach. Very quiet day, Sunday morning, 9:20. We're just waiting for the flight. Let's see how it goes. Here it is, flight from Manila, Cebu Pacific. Wow, we're gonna be close here. Nice. What do you think, Cliffy? You ready? Nice. Hey, Cliffy, you excited? I tied him up to a tire that was here. We got one more coming in a few minutes. Pal, that was the Cebu Pacific flight. It's even early. Lots of small planes taking off from Dumaguete. What's this flight? Oh, it's the one from Manila. It's early. Wow, let's go. Prop plane. What the heck? That's military. That's not POW. Bonus landing, Philippine Air Force, cool. Saw a flight coming in and I was surprised that it was a prop plane, but we do get prop planes. They're the flights from Cebu to Dumaguete, but it was supposed to be the POW flight coming in, and then when I saw it getting closer, it was a bigger prop plane, gray in color, and it turned out to be a Philippine military flight. So that was a bonus flight today. It's just going across the bottom of Cebu Island now, and then they'll go out over the water and do a big right-hand turn to come into the airport, going towards the mountains, which are back there. Here we go. PAL PR 2545 coming in early to Dumaguete from Manila. Welcome to Negros Oriental. Let's go. do you think, Cliffy? Time to go home? Let's go. He's watching a couple pit bulls over there. We won't wait for the takeoffs. We just barely see them as they take off. So Cliffy's hot. I'm hot. He's running out of water. We got a little bit left. We're going to go home. Car's over there. Let's go. Where's Cliffy? There he is. Let's go, Cliffy. We're going to go home. We saw the Sea Pacific flight land. We saw the surprise flight. The military plane landed, the prop plane, and we just had the PAL flight land from Manila. So 2 flights from Manila and then the military plane. Don't know where it's from. Anyhow, let's go home, Cliffy. Our little island got flooded. And I got to carry Cliffy because he doesn't like water. Let's go. Have a great day, everybody. Thank you for watching. We really appreciate your support. That's all from Negus Oriental. Oi! Cliffy, you're so heavy. Humping. Take care, everybody. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. We really appreciate it.
Please subscribe if you haven't already. Check out this next video. I hope you like it also. When are you visiting the Philippines?